sorry, but does anyone else have this problem with John Deere? I've been in here, I don't know, at least 5 minutes. I mean, I can't get out. And this always happens to me with John Deere doors. Is it a bad design? Is it that the doors have got old and the mechanism in them is just not working? Or it's my knight in shining armour? Pricks of things, aren't they, them John Deere doors?
No, show you.
Are you serious? Oisín! We're locked in! It's very stiff. Oh, thank God.
Can't be that difficult.
I told you, just try from in here. Look, I tried it.
It's impossible. See? Isn't it?
Damn it, we didn't really think this through.
We can't, we're all stuck.
Over there. Open the door.
4 of us in here now.
So, Eunice, can you come out?